Manuel Dapidran Pacquiao o mas kilala sa tawag ng Manny the Pacman Pacquiao. He is the former WBC Lightweight World Champion, WBC Super Featherweight World Champion, IBF Super Bantamweight World Champion, and WBC Flyweight World Champion. He also held the Ring Magazine titles for Featherweight, Super Featherweight, and Light Welterweight divisions. Sa kanyang mga narating, siya ang kauna-unang Filipino at Asian boxer na nagkamit ng 5 world titles na 5 iba't ibang weight divisions. Iba talaga ang Pinoy. He is currently the IBO and Ring Magazine Light Welterweight Champion and rated as the #1 pound-for-pound boxer in the world. Si Pacman lang naman ang tumalo sa mga kilala at veteranong boxer. Isa na dyan si Marco Antonio Barrera. Expert training from Freddie Roach at the Wildcard Gym, improving his hand speed and mental preparation before the match. Natalo niya si Barrera via TKO in the 11th round at the Alamodome, San Antonio, Texas noong October 6, 2007. The long-awaited rematch, Pacquiao defeated Barrera via unanimous decision. Pinatawag niya rin si Juan Manuel Marquez, isang respected Mexican counter-puncher. Siya ang may hawak ng WBA at International Boxing Federation featherweight titles. The fight was held at the MGM Grand, ended in a controversial draw after he knocked down Marquez 3 times in the first round. On March 15, 2008, in a rematch with Juan Manuel Marquez called the Unfinished Business, Pacquiao won via disputed split decision in a close. Nilabanan niya rin si Eric Morales noong March 19, 2005 sa MGM Grand. It is his first fight in the Super Featherweight division. Pacquiao lost the 12-round match via unanimous decision. Sa pangalawang paghaharap nila ni Eric Morales, Pacquiao defeated Morales via 10th round knockout in a much-anticipated rematch on January 21, 2006 in Las Vegas. At sa wakas, sa ikatlong pagkakataon, muli na namang pinataob ni Pacman ang Mexicanong si Eric Morales via TKO sa 3rd round. On July 2, 2006, Pacquiao defeated Oscar Larios, a 2-time Super Bantamweight champion who moved up 2 weight divisions in order to face Pacquiao. Despite his camp's big promise of an early knockout, the fight went until the final round, with Pacquiao knocking down Larios 2 times during the 12-round bout for the WBC International Super Featherweight title held at the Araneta Coliseum in Quezon City, Philippines. Isa pa sa pinabagsak ni Manny ay si David Diaz. Tinalo ni Pacman si David sa 9th round at naging WBC Lightweight Champion. Pacquiao became the only Filipino and Asian boxer to win 4 major titles in 4 weight classes, and also became the first Filipino fighter to ever win a world title at lightweight. At syempre, hindi makakalimutan ang The Dream Match, Pacman versus the Golden Boy on December 6, 2008. Hinarap ni Pacman si Oscar De La Hoya. Pacquiao asserted himself over De La Hoya from the first round till the 8th round. De La Hoya's corner threw in the towel before the start of the 9th round. Pacquiao won via technical knockout. At ang pinakahuli at pinag-uusapan pa rin hanggang ngayon ay ang laban niya kay Ricky the Hitman Hatton. A battle from east to the west. Pacquiao started the first strong, knocking down a sluggish Hatton twice in the first round. At the bell, Hatton seemed to have regrouped, only to get knocked down for the 3rd time 2 minutes and 59 seconds left into the 2nd round, awarding Pacquiao the win by knockout. With 37 knockouts and 12 decisions, 3 defeats, 2 by knockout, 1 by decision, at 2 draws. Yan si Pacman, ang ating sports icon.